Welcome to the heart of the Swiss Alps, where nature reveals one of its most graceful masterpieces, Staubbach Falls. Hidden within the breathtaking Lauterbrunnen Valley, this magnificent waterfall plunges nearly 300 meters down a sheer cliff, creating a scene that feels almost dreamlike. As the morning sunlight touches the rocky walls of the valley, the waterfall begins to shimmer like silver silk flowing from the mountains above. The name Staubbach means dust stream, inspired by the way the falling water transforms into a delicate mist before reaching the ground. During windy days, the spray dances through the air, creating an ethereal atmosphere that has inspired poets, painters, and travelers for centuries. Surrounded by towering Alpine cliffs and peaceful Swiss chalets, Lauterbrunnen is often called one of the most beautiful valleys in the world. The sound of distant cowbells mixes with the rushing water, while green meadows stretch beneath snow-capped peaks. It is a place where time slows down, allowing visitors to reconnect with nature and experience true tranquility. The waterfall changes with every season. In spring and summer, melting snow from the mountains feeds the powerful cascade, making it roar with energy. In autumn, golden forests surround the valley with warm colors, while winter transforms the landscape into a frozen wonderland, where ice crystals sparkle beneath the cold mountain sun. Behind the waterfall lies a hidden pathway, leading to a small viewing gallery carved into the cliff. From here, visitors can stand close enough to feel the cool mist on their skin while gazing out across the valley below. It is a magical perspective, one that reveals both the immense power and delicate beauty of nature. Staubbach Falls also captured the imagination of famous writers such as Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, who visited the valley and found inspiration in its dramatic scenery. Even today, travelers from around the world come here seeking peace, adventure, and unforgettable landscapes. As clouds drift gently across the mountain peaks and the waterfall continues its endless descent, Staubbach reminds us of nature's quiet elegance, timeless, powerful, and endlessly calming. This is not simply a destination. It is a place where the Swiss Alps speak through water, wind, and stone. High in the Bernese Alps of Switzerland lies a hidden paradise of turquoise waters, dramatic cliffs, and untouched alpine beauty, Oeschinen Lake. Known as one of the most stunning mountain lakes in Europe, Oeschinen Lake was formed thousands of years ago by ancient glaciers. Today, its crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding snow-covered peaks like a giant natural mirror, creating scenery so breathtaking it almost feels unreal. The journey to the lake begins in the peaceful village of Kandersteg. From there, visitors ascend into the mountains, leaving behind the modern world and entering a landscape shaped entirely by nature. As the trail winds through forests and alpine meadows, the first glimpse of the lake appears between the mountains, a brilliant blue jewel resting quietly beneath towering cliffs. What makes Oeschinen truly extraordinary is the color of its water. Fed by glacial streams, the lake glows in shades of emerald and turquoise that shift constantly with the changing sunlight. On calm days, the reflections are so perfect that mountains and sky appear to merge into a single endless panorama. In summer, hikers explore the surrounding trails, discovering hidden viewpoints above the lake. Wildflowers bloom across the hillsides, while birds glide silently through the crisp alpine air. Small wooden boats drift peacefully across the water, offering visitors a chance to experience the silence and serenity of the mountains from the center of the lake itself. The cliffs surrounding Oeschinen rise dramatically into the sky, reminding visitors of the immense geological forces that shape the Alps over millions of years. Waterfalls descend from rocky slopes, feeding the lake with pure glacial water that remains astonishingly clear, even at great depths. During autumn, the forests around the lake transform into brilliant shades of gold and orange, creating a warm contrast against the icy blue water. In winter, heavy snow blankets the entire region, turning Oeschinen into a frozen alpine wonderland where nature appears completely untouched. Oeschinen Lake is also part of a UNESCO World Heritage Region, recognized for its extraordinary natural beauty and environmental importance. The area protects diverse alpine ecosystems, rare plants, and wildlife that thrive in this pristine mountain environment. But beyond its geological history and scenic beauty, Oeschinen offers something deeper, a feeling of calm rarely found in the modern world. Here, surrounded by silence and towering mountains, visitors experience the simple power of nature in its purest form. As sunlight fades behind the peaks and evening shadows stretch across the water, the lake becomes even more magical. The mountains stand silently above the valley, while the turquoise water slowly darkens beneath the alpine sky. Oeschinen Lake is more than a destination. It is a reminder of how extraordinary our planet can be when nature remains wild, untouched, and timeless. Nestled beside a sparkling lake and surrounded by majestic mountains, Lucerne is one of Switzerland's most enchanting cities, a place where medieval history and natural beauty exist in perfect harmony. Located on the shores of Lake Lucerne, this charming city has welcomed travelers for centuries. With its cobblestone streets, historic architecture, and breathtaking alpine scenery, Lucerne feels like a gateway into the heart of Switzerland itself. At the center of the city stands the iconic chapel bridge, known locally as Kapellbrücke. Built in the 14th century, it is one of Europe's oldest covered wooden bridges and one of Switzerland's most recognizable landmarks. As visitors walk across the bridge, they pass beneath historic paintings that tell stories from Lucerne's rich past. Beside the bridge rises the water tower, once used as a prison, treasury, and watchtower during medieval times. Together, these structures reflect the city's deep historical roots and enduring cultural identity. Yet Lucerne is not only a city of history, it is also surrounded by extraordinary natural beauty. The calm waters of Lake Lucerne mirror the surrounding mountains, while elegant boats glide peacefully across the surface. Beyond the lake, peaks such as Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi dominate the horizon, creating one of the most spectacular landscapes in Switzerland. Throughout the city, colorful buildings decorated with traditional frescoes line the narrow streets of the old town. Cafes and small boutiques fill the historic squares, where locals and visitors gather beneath centuries-old architecture. Every corner of Lucerne reveals another postcard-perfect scene. One of the city's most moving landmarks is the Lion Monument, carved directly into a sandstone cliff. Created to honor Swiss guards who lost their lives during the French Revolution, the sculpture represents courage, sacrifice, and loyalty. Mark Twain once described it as the most mournful and moving piece of stone in the world. Lucerne transforms beautifully with the changing seasons. In summer, lakeside promenades come alive with flowers and sunlight. During winter, snow-covered mountains create a magical atmosphere, as Christmas lights illuminate the historic streets. Despite its popularity, Lucerne never loses its peaceful charm. The city moves at a gentle pace, inviting visitors to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the beauty of both nature and history together. As evening falls and golden light reflects across Lake Lucerne, the city becomes even more captivating. Church bells echo softly through the old streets, while the Alps stand quietly in the distance. Lucerne is more than a city. It is the soul of Switzerland, timeless, elegant, and unforgettable.